Well, folks, I couldn't videotape a lot of the village of Kukuvitsa because they were full of shepherd dogs. But this region is anyway super lovely, and of course what I love is panorama views, and I wanted to show you. Over here is Turlata Peak, which is an ancient fortress of the Traci tribes, and this is the Gela village vicinity. That's the meadows and the houses, and this peak is Karlak Peak, Orpheus Peak, and this is the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. Those of you who don't follow me, lovely mountain. And I'm going back now to Smolen, and someday probably I'll come again to this village, or maybe to some local nearby village, to capture more views towards Orpheus Peak and Turlata Peak, and we will see. And this is oregano, not oregano, this is thyme. See, the thyme, we have a lot of thyme here, a lot of herbs, all kinds of herbs. This is magical mountain.